Welcome to our ultimate kitchen gadget showdown. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking game, you've come to the right place. From high-tech appliances that save you time to tools that make cooking a breeze, we've got 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that'll revolutionize the way you cook. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier and your meals more delicious. So stay tuned as we explore these game-changing gadgets that will transform your cooking. The Vexon 6-in-1 Glass Air Fryer is a multifunctional kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking easier and healthier. With a 4.5 Q2 extra-large capacity and 360-degree hot air circulation, it offers multiple intelligent menus for air frying, grilling, baking, and more. The food-grade stainless steel tray ensures durability and safety while you enjoy healthy, oil-free cooking. With precise temperature control, you can adjust temperatures between 100° to 400° Fahrenheit. It also features power-off protection, making it safe and reliable. The transparent glass bowl provides a 360-degree view of your food as it cooks, allowing you to monitor the process without opening the lid. Plus, the glass bowl is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The electric dough maker is a smart and efficient appliance designed to make your baking easier and more convenient. With a 7L large capacity and 304 stainless steel non-stick mixing bucket, it features a microcomputer timer for easy dough making. The S-shaped 3D mixing knife, small conical lid, and top window allow for seamless ingredient addition. Its vertical design imitates hand mixing, ensuring pliable and strong dough. Capable of kneading 1 to 3.5 kilograms of dough at once, it's perfect for both small and large families. With a fermentation temperature range of 25 to 38 degrees centigrade, you can make bread, pizza, buns, and dumplings all at once. The stainless steel container and removable top cover make cleaning easy, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. The electric vacuum sealer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to preserve food and keep it fresh for longer. This set includes a rechargeable vacuum pump, reusable sous vide bags, sealing clips, and more. With its easy-to-use one-touch operation, it seals your food in just 10 seconds, locking in flavor, moisture, and nutrients while blocking out oxygen. The sealer is perfect for dry and wet foods and is safe for sous vide cooking, microwaving, and freezing. Whether you're looking to reduce food waste or elevate your sous vide cooking game, this vacuum sealer makes storing and cooking food easier, faster, and more efficient. The Bare electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen tool designed for busy individuals and families. It cooks meals up to 70% faster with its precision cooking feature, and it's safe to touch. With 10 smart menu settings, including white brown rice, oatmeal, soup, stew, and more, you can easily prepare a variety of meals. The preset function allows for convenient meal planning. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and long-lasting durability. Enjoy flexible meal planning with preset times and a keep warm function, making it ideal for quick, delicious meals every time. Perfect for small families or individuals looking to save time and effort in the kitchen. The bread maker machine is perfect for beginners, making homemade bread effortless. It features a premium stainless steel exterior and a user-friendly control panel. With 17 customizable programs, it handles everything from kneading to baking, allowing you to simply add ingredients in order, select the menu, loaf color, and time. The 15-hour delay timer ensures fresh bread is ready whenever you need it, and the auto keep warm function maintains the perfect temperature after baking. A beep sounds when your bread is ready, signaling completion. The non-stick pan ensures easy release and hassle-free cleanup, so you can enjoy fresh, warm bread with minimal effort every time. Whether you're making basic loaves or more complex recipes, this bread maker is designed to deliver great results with ease. The Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle is a versatile, high-performance kitchen essential, perfect for cooking large meals. Experience full control with the temperature dial, adjustable up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With its 1500-watt heating system and large cooking surface, it can cook up to 15 eggs at once. The healthy eco coating is durable and safe to use with metal utensils. Flipping is a breeze with a built-in ledge for easy food release, while the removable drip tray collects fat and juices for healthier meals. Enjoy cooking with ease and efficiency with this reliable and durable electric griddle. The Elite Gourmet Electric Egg Cooker cooks up to 7 eggs at once, offering soft, medium, or hard-boiled options. Using the pre-marked measuring cup, you can easily adjust water levels for perfect eggs every time. Simply press the power switch, and within minutes, your eggs are done with easy-to-peel shells. The auto shut-off feature ensures consistent results. This compact cooker also doubles as a veggie or food steamer. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. With dishwasher-safe parts and a retro mint design, cleaning is a breeze. The Anova Precision Cooker makes sous vide cooking simple and precise, bringing professional-level results to your kitchen. Powerful enough to cook a meal for the whole family, it lets you cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi connectivity and the Anova app. The removable adjustable clamp fits any cooking pot or container. The Anova Precision Cooker is easy to use. Just place your food in a scalable bag, set your desired time and temperature using manual controls or the app, and place the sealed food into the pot. Anova will notify you when your food reaches edge-to-edge perfection. Finish with a quick sear for the perfect texture. The Anova Precision Cooker is built to last with a splash-proof body. The removable clamp and metal skirt are dishwasher safe. Cook like a pro from your own kitchen. Perfect results every time. The cold press juicer is designed for convenience and efficiency, making fresh juice effortless. It features an easy 5-step assembly and app juice recipes for inspiration. With a 5.8-inch feed chute, you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without chopping. The high-performance motor operates at a quiet 40 dB, ensuring a peaceful experience. Its 50 RPM slow press technology extracts 99% juice yield, preserving nutrients while minimizing oxidation. Cleaning is hassle-free, it's easy to disassemble, and all parts are washable with water. Enjoy healthier, fresher juice every day. The Keurig coffee maker offers the ultimate brewing experience with its ability to brew both K-cup pods and coffee grounds, delivering delicious coffee and carafe by the cup for every moment. Featuring multi-stream technology, it evenly saturates grounds for enhanced flavor and aroma, whether hot or cold. The Brew Over Ice feature adjusts temperature for perfect iced coffee and tea. Brew anytime with the programmable Carafe Auto Brew, allowing you to set brewing up to 24 hours ahead. Enjoy ease and versatility with this compact, space-saving design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest kitchen gadgets and tips. Stay tuned for more amazing finds, and we'll see you in the next video.